Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove watermark from video in Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are, as you can see, on Canva. Now, I've currently got an example video. So you can see if we play this, we've actually got a watermark in the bottom left-hand corner, which is just my logo. Now, there's a couple of things you can do to actually remove the watermark. The first thing you can do is actually click onto the video, and if you right-click and then click onto Detach Video from Background, what you can do is basically just crop this so that it just basically removes the watermark that way. So that's one thing you can do to actually remove a watermark. And the second thing you can do is actually to blur this watermark out. So to do that, if you come up to Elements in this tall part on the left-hand side, what you want to do is just go ahead and type Blur into the search box at the top. And you can see some different blur shapes here. So we're going to take this one as an example. And what I'm going to do is just basically put this over the watermark, like so, and just make this a bit bigger, just so that it blurs out the watermark. You want to make sure this is positioned to the front of the screen as well, so you can see it's pushed to the front. As you can see, this is going to blur out the watermark. Now, at the time of recording, there's not actually a feature on Canva where you can actually fully remove the watermark. However, these are two very good workarounds that you can use in the meantime, but hopefully, in a future update, this feature will be available. But for the meantime, these are two good methods that do work very well. So that's basically how you can remove watermark from video in Canva. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.